Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 23rd, 2023. No, it's the edition of Monday, March the 6th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So it's now time for Tectonic with 1 star. Tectonic with 1 star. Let me do a speed test with the Tectonic. Never done this. A speed test. Yeah. Let me try the speed test. Come on. Yes. But first, this will be number 6162. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Alright, 1 minute is already passed. Let me do a speed test. First, looking for the single box. No single box. Dual box, 1 and 2. The triple box, nope. Quarter box, here we have a quarter box. This can be a 3. Then we have a single box here. This box 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be a 5. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Quarter box, overlook this quarter box, 3 and a 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be here, 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here, 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 4 numbers, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box, no. This box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 to trigger those two boxes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 3 and 5. These 3 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. And these 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around the 3 can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box is connected with that box, 1 or 2. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 3. I think this box should be 2 because it could be 1. Should be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Double 5 there. Yes, the 2. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 in the same area, can be 4. Should be a 5 then. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. No 3 there. This box can be a 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Need to mark those. I think this box will be a 5. Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So definitely a 5. Yeah. Need to think. 3, 4. 1, 3. 2 and a 4. This box. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Wow. Come on. Hard part. 4 and a 5. 4, 5, 3. 1 and the 2. This box, I need a 2 here, need a 3 there, need a 4 there. So this box can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. I think this box will be a 5. Can be 1, can be a 2, because I need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. Can be 3, can be 4, yeah, definitely 5 then. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. We have a double 2 there, so that means that this box can be 2 and more. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4. Yeah, let me mark those. 2 and a 4. Hard part. Well, 1. I cannot place the 1 there, otherwise these 3 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be 1. And I need a 1 in this quadra box. So not the solution, place the 1 there, the 1 should be there. 2 and a 4 are left. I cannot place the 4 there, because then these 3 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So this box will be definitely 2, that box will be a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box will be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Come on. 2 and a 4. Missing here something. 2 or a 5 here. 2, 3. Come on. Oh, 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, so this box should be the 2, and this box should be a 1. I marked this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 2. Yeah. Okay, 2 and a 4. This box can be 4, can be 5, can be 3. So 2 and the 1 are left. Well, can I place the 2 there, because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box will be definitely a 1 then. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, and 4. Need a 4. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and I have here a double 4. That means that this box can be 4, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. I think this box will be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the final number 5. In 10 minutes, well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with new puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.